All right, what's up, y'all? So we got this Yanmar tractor we've been working on. We need to get in there, flush the gearbox out. Let's check it out.
And this is why you change your gearbox oil, guys. All of that junk out of there. So we need to drain this oil out. It's water. What the? Straight water. Dude. All right, it's empty.
Man, this thing is nasty, full of water. I guess it got all that water in there because it sat outside for so long, and a bunch of condensation. You know, it just builds up. No one ever changes it, and then you get a bunch of water in the gearbox or transmission.
So I got the screen out. Look at all that junk on there. Oh my gosh, that would have ruined the hydraulic pump. What a mess. Looks like we got a little bit of rust.
A little bit of rust, but that's all right.
That is nasty. We're gonna have to flush all of this out. And this is why you change your gearbox oil, guys.
Doesn't look like there's any damage.
All right, so that got a lot out of that line right there, so that's a pretty good tip. There's another big metal pipe that we have to figure out how to drain, though. This one comes off easy. It's just 3 screws, and we drain it all in there.
So the trick I like to do is I like to get some diesel, you know, put it in a spray bottle, you know, dump it in there any way I can, and it dissolves all that stuff, and it doesn't mess up the seals like gasoline or something like that.
All right, so this thing is super clean in here. You can see it looks awesome, guys. We got all of that junk out of there.
Nice and clean.
Let's put the cover back on. Done. Filter looks good. I got it cleaned up, and I got a new gasket on there.
Oil time.
4 gallons.
Tractor's running great now. Now we know the gearbox, well, transmission is in good shape. We don't have to worry about it getting damaged, you know, from lack of oil or a bunch of water in there. Check it on the next one. Later.